Welcome to the wrap. I'm Diane King Hall, here to take you through today's market action. Another sharp market sell-off plunged Wall Street in the red this week. The Fed decided to keep rates unchanged, and Friday's jobs report came in worse than expected. The Russell closed down 6.7% for the week. The Nasdaq had its third losing week in a row with a 3.1% loss. The Nasdaq Composite officially now in a correction, and the S&P 500 and Dow each lost just over 2%. Some sectors managed to gain this week. The biggest winner was utilities, rallying 4.25%. Real estate added 2.75%. Consumer discretionary became the week's biggest laggard, closing down 4.3%, and tech lost 4%. Turning to the biggest stories of the week, Intel logged its worst day in more than 50 years, getting 26% on Friday alone. The massive drop in shares comes after the company suspended its dividend and slashed its workforce by 15%. Intel's earnings also fell below expectations and gave weaker guidance for the remainder of the year. Meantime, Apple managed to gain in Friday's market sell-off, beating on its top and bottom line. Revenue was over $1 billion higher than estimates. iPad and Mac sold more than expected, but iPhone sales were over $300 million below estimates. Wearables also slightly down. Net sales grew in all markets except for China. Microsoft's cloud services helped its earnings. The tech giant saw intelligent cloud services rise 19% year over year. Azure and other cloud services jumped 29%. The company is expected to spend more on AI because of revenue growth. Its biggest competitor, Amazon's AWS, also grew 19% year over year. In the week ahead, it's a lighter calendar for economic data. We'll be watching for jobless claims and ISM numbers. For earnings, we'll hear from Eli Lilly, Uber, and CVS. Palantir, Rivian, and Reddit will also share their results. That'll do it for the wrap. I'm Diane King Hall. Remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.